This Cysus discolor is one of the new plants for me in this season. And the more I look at it, the more amazed I am by this pretty little thing. And here I wanted to cover a little bit about its natural formation in nature, how it looks. See, it can climb nicely onto these trees, not powerfully. It's a weak climber. It's excellent in balconies. In Western countries, they have taken up. Gardeners are using this plant. But in our India, even though it's our own beautiful plant, I never seen this in any garden. When people take up gardening, it should have some, if they want to, there should have to be some meaning in it. It's such a vast area, just going on, getting all kind of plants. Try to give some structure to your hobby if you're a serious gardener. Select one area of plants, like some family or other as your core area. And then serious gardeners should take up in Indian species because they are becoming extinct so fast, and it has become an urgent thing. It worries me. See how beautiful it has, a little fluorescent touch also, because this is a very in high shade area as it occurs. Then some other little life around the base of a giant tree. I think the last video I did was the brother of this chap, and it was a bit I was not happy with the result. I thought I'd do a similar experiment with this one, but I'm going to move the camera very slowly so that people can get an idea of what is involved here. On the one direction, the moss is growing because that southwest side, the monsoon moist winds and all come, it likes that. This is one of the famous hardwood species of our Western Ghats. Famous means no longer famous because they've all been cut and replaced with exotic timber trade. Now it doesn't depend on all these trees. They're slow growing and all. And so having cut off whatever is there, now other things are there moving. But in the olden days, this was very important tree for the main beam of the house. That is, the entire structure. These old houses, they had this first floor, second floor, and all sometimes. And that main this thing had to be held up by a very strong, long-lasting termite repelling type of wood, dense hardwood. And this was one of the species that was selected for this kind of work. So I covered two things in this. One is you get to see the tall tree, and then this beautiful Cysus discolor, which it's a shame that the people in the aren't taking up these kind of pretty plants. When you grow something meaningful, it just doesn't, it's not just eye candy for you sitting in your place wherever you are, but it is useful to the surrounding biodiversity, some animals, worms, butterflies, birds. They all have to live also because humans can't exist by themselves. And when you take up native plants in your gardens, Even one or two species if you get, it's a good thing. One is you are giving a shelter to a beautiful plant. Second, the sunlight of this country is its main asset, and these plants suck up the sunlight, and they do all their work, and finally they produce some fruit that has to be consumed by some local creature. Then the cycle is complete. Otherwise, it is just waste of resources. Nice water, sunlight, everything is taken and poured on some meaningless plant that serves no ecological function whatsoever, except to look pretty, according to some definition, warped definition of pretty. Actually, real prettiness is something else, beauty and all. Here also the other base also has got, it's almost surrounded by these sizes, discolors. The light is reduced, you see the full beauty of it. When the sunlight is more, the discoloration becomes a bit less. When the sunlight is less, it has that kind of a mysterious kind of rainforest look, and it definitely it is, because it is a rainforest resident. In entire coastal belt, it should do well. Otherwise, it needs a degree of moisture, if I'm right. So, I haven't tried cultivating it in drier places like Bangalore and all. Oh, slowly, this video also is becoming long. So beautiful. This will take about 300 years, 400 years to grow. And with a good machine, just couple of hours is enough to destroy it. It will never come back after it. Gone. And how much life it supports. Look at that. Some little moss. Oh, clouds are gathering. So I have to. What is this? What the hell is that?